This 2023 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton West 25 RDSWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Keystone is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Driftwood interior, sleeps 6, TV, stove top burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, oven, Colorado Detector, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton West 25 RDSWE is 6,299 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.